Hello, how are you again? Here in a video that will fascinate you. Have you noticed that sometimes you go to buy fabric and they like one with very large flowers? He says, no, why buy it if I don't know it? I don't know how to cut it. I don't know how to design it. Rosina will show you how to use a cloth. Very fresh with flowers. We are going to make us super simple. Let's get it done. For here we have our fabric. Very flowered but very pretty. And that I am going to show you to how it should be accommodated. I folded our fabric in four, our infallible mold in half, and we are going to mark it with our special sewing pencil. Remember that this type of pencil go with the steam from the iron. Let's mark what is the cuffat to the armpit, and we follow each other head on the side and all the way down. Let's cut it out. Here I have already marked how far we marked what the sisa is, but we will open our fabric and we are going to cut a little bit where the neck goes. Remember that routine gives you very simple models, very easy to perform. And we will also need two strips. Take a good look at this. That goes. I took advantage of the design of the fabric we are going to make with these strips. We will pass them a thread in machine to fold it, to make it folded. You'll see how beautiful it looks. Let's go to the You have seen how is it possible to fold without costing you work. Here I have already put the soles or the threaded strips where the sleeve goes. Now we have nothing else left. Close sides make hem, and Rosina, now she will model it for you. This is how this beautiful looks with one sleeve. I taught you how you can frown on them or puff them up to make it beautiful so you don't be afraid of two stamped fabric. It's going to look beautiful on you. Like and share the video. See you very soon.